All right, here we are back with the water boiling there. What are we gonna do? Let's do some black tea, right? So black tea would always do. Let's see, classic 58 at Yanghong, classic 58. You should feel lucky that I'm brewing this tea on you. Okay. And with the rinse, I'll warm up the vessels. That was my rinse and warm up at the same time. Trying to not entertain you for too long. And yeah, I mean, couple of things that I like to see is that the Gangdo Bay will hold the water that is in here, so it's not this is not going to be the Justice Cup is not going to be smaller than that, and that's all you need really. It's a good Christmas gift. So Justice Cup, yeah, it does spill, so you need your tray. There's still water in there, and this is pretty much full. Let's see if I can get all the get it all the way. It burns you. So Gangdo base barely capable of holding the water from here, so you can't fill this all the way because the Gangdo Bay is smaller capacity than that by a bit, just a bit. So it's a good starter kit. It's a good starter kit. Um, let's see the cups. So the Gangdo Bay pours like horribly begin. So you have to be kind of quick because if you're too slow, it pours like bleh, So you have to just kind of have to be quick at it. So the pouring spout of the Gangdo Bay is not very good, but hey, whatever. Let's see. I love black tea. It works. I mean, for a beginner's thing, it's fine. But one thing that happens when you give someone who's starting to get acquaintance with a hobby, you give them some that's too cheap, too um, difficult to use, is that they are not inclined to come back to the hobby or to the habit or whatever. But if I have someone use equipment that is nicer, they're gonna be more likely to want to do it again. And that's it, you know. I think it's worth it. I think it's a good present. I, I wish they had put a little bit more effort into making this spout nicer, but it's not bad. I definitely will let people borrow it after they have experienced this first. If they have experienced like a nice setup, then I will let them borrow it and tell them that this is not awesome, but that is okay for them to do it. In comparison, this $25 set to one of those $70 or $50 sets that I have down there, um, those are really nice to use. Someone could just have that and be happy forever. without the need to expand it into better equipment. Um, but this one will need an upgrade. So it's a good borrow kit. It's a good thing to borrow. I think is fine. It doesn't smell weird. Doesn't have didn't have any smells or anything that was just like beyond the tea. So that's a good thing. It's a good ceramic. And yeah, that's all I have to say about it. So cool. It's a good gift. It's fine. Right.